Hello, beautiful souls, and welcome back to our channel today. We're diving deep into the world of manifesting abundance, love, and receiving guidance from the angelic realm. If you're ready to transform your life, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update on your spiritual journey. Our journey starts with something we all desire, manifesting money. We'll explore the incredible power of money affirmations. To manifest wealth, embrace affirmations like, I attract financial abundance, or money flows to me effortlessly. Consistency is the key to unlocking financial prosperity. Connect with your guardian angel for love and protection, and seek guidance from Archangel Michael during times of uncertainty. These angelic prayers can offer immense comfort and support. But wait, I have something incredible to introduce: the Mystic Wanda. This mystical tool is designed to elevate your manifestation practice. With its unique crystals and sacred geometry, the Mystic Wanda can amplify the energy of your affirmations and enhance the power of angelic guidance. To learn more about the Mystic Wanda and how it can supercharge your manifestation journey, click the link in the description below. It's a must-have for every spiritual seeker. As we conclude our manifestation session today, remember that you have the power to create the life you desire. Affirmations, angel numbers, and spiritual guidance are here to assist you on your